In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a folder in Google Drive for quick access. Starring a folder is a simple way to keep your most important work just a click away. Instead of digging through layers of folders, you can collect your go-to locations in one convenient place called Starred. Here's how to do it from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can access your files. Once you're in, you'll land on your drive. If you don't see your usual folders, click My Drive in the left sidebar to view your main storage area where your folders and files live. Find the folder you want to mark for quick access. This could be a project folder, a client folder, or anything you use frequently. Right-click on that folder to open the context menu. This menu is where Drive lets you manage and organize items without opening them. In that menu, look for the Organize section. This is the area that groups options related to how your item is arranged in your drive. Within Organize, click Add to Starred. When you select this, Drive will tag the folder with a star. You may see a quick toast notification, and the folder's star icon will light up, confirming it's now marked. To get back to your starred items anytime, head to the left sidebar and click Starred. You'll find your newly starred folder there, alongside anything else you've starred. Think of this as a personal shortcut list. It doesn't move the folder, change its permissions, or share it with anyone else. It simply bookmarks it for you. If you ever change your mind, repeat the same process. Right-click the folder, go to Organize, and choose Remove from Starred. The folder will remain in its original location. It just won't appear in the starred view anymore. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. If your menu looks a little different, don't worry. Google occasionally updates labels, but the Add to Starred option will be there. If you've just starred a folder and don't see it in the starred view, refresh the page to update the list. And remember, starred items sync across devices on your account, so you'll see the same shortcuts whether you're on your laptop or another browser. That's all it takes. By starring your key folders, you'll cut down on clicks and keep your workflow focused. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Google Drive.